Have you ever found someone who seems right through your smile, your eyes? You're sick from the miles, highs are low, but in his heart there's a place to go. He will be the light in the darkness in your highs and lows. And